Welder 31st Week Part 1. Topics to be covered are submerged arc welding process and its principle, equipment used, advantages, limitations. Second is electroslag and electrogas welding processes, its principle, equipment used, advantages, limitations. Submerged arc welding process. Submerged arc welding principle is given below. Submerged arc welding is an arc welding process that uses an arc between a bare metal electrode and the weld pool. The arc and the molten metal are hidden by a blanket of granular flux on the workpieces, as shown in Figure 1. Metals which can be welded by submerged arc welding. In submerged arc welding, low and medium carbon steels, low alloy steels, high strength steels, quenched and tempered steel, and stainless steel can be welded. Metals weldable by submerged arc welding are wrought iron, low carbon steel, low alloy steel, but high and medium carbon are possible but they are not popular. High alloy steel is also possible but not popular. Stainless steel is weldable. Edge preparation in submerged arc process. The edge preparation for butt welds are shown in Figure 2. For plate thicknesses higher than 25 mm, a double V or single U or double U edge preparation is done as shown in Figure 3. Fillet welds done by submerged arc welding. The T and lap joints shown in Figure 3 are tilted to 450 degree to weld them in flat position. If the thicknesses of plates are more than 16 mm in T-filled joint, then the edge of the vertical plate is beveled by 45 degree and the joint is welded without a root gap. Types of submerged arc welding processes. There are two types of submerged arc welding process. Number 1 automatic, second semi-automatic. Automatic submerged arc welding. In this type of arc voltage, arc length, speed of travel and electrode feed are automatically controlled. Semi-automatic submerged arc welding. The arc length, flux feeding and electrode feed are automatic but the speed of travel is controlled by the operator. Parts of submerged arc welding machine and their functions are shown in Figure 4. A wire feeder to drive the electrode to the work through the contact tube of the welding gun or welding head. A welding power source to supply welding current to the electrode at the contact tube. Arrangement for holding the flux and feeding it on the head of the arc. A means of traversing the joint. Fluxes. Fluxes used the submerged arc welding are granulated fusible mineral materials which are free from substances capable of producing large amount of gas during welding. Flux when cool is non-conductive but when molten it is highly conductive and allows high current. Electrode. Bare or lightly copper coated rods or wires are used as electrode in submerged arc welding. These electrodes are available in coil or reel form. Standard reels with diameters 2 to 8 mm are available. Welding procedure for striking the arc. The electrode momentary contacts the work and is withdrawn slightly. Arc start. Arc starting is difficult in submerged arc welding because of the flux cover. It is important to start the weld at a specific point on the joint. Method of starting arc by using steel wool or iron powder. A rolled ball of steel wool 10 mm in diameter is placed at the required spot on the joint and the electrode wire is lowered on to it till it is slightly compressed. The flux is then applied and when the welding is commenced, the steel wool or iron powder conducts the current from the wire to the work arc is formed. Clean the prepared workpiece and place it in position with provision for backing up. Fill the hopper with flux and insert the electrode ends into the welding head. Adjust the voltage, current and the welding speed as indicated in Table 1 and Table 2. Start welding by striking an arc beneath the flux on the work. The entire welding zone is buried under a blanket of flux and longitudinally it travels along the seam. Use run on and run off pieces for starting and ending to avoid formation of crater and beginning and ending faults as shown in figure 5. Advantages of submerged arc welding: high quality weld metal, high deposition rate and speed, smooth uniform finished weld, no spatter, little or no smoke, no arc flash, high utilization of electrode wire, no need for protective clothing. Limitations: the submerged arc welding process is limited to flat position and horizontal fillet position. Here you can see in table 1 submerged arc welding parameters for single electrode for fillet welds by automatic welding. Thank you.